Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Juliet from Juliet's Corner. And it's been a while that I haven't posted anything, so hello to everyone, hello to all my viewers and my subscriber. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video after you watch this episode. So right now I'm gonna show you on how I make a tote bag using Easy Subli HTV. So it's gonna be like this. So this tote bag is a reusable bag, and this is a catering tote bag that you can put like food for delivery. Those people who have like a business like this, you can just buy this and have it giveaway with your food in here, and you have the information in front. So this tote bag it's a 100 GSM thick heavyweight material. There's a 28 inches handle, non-woven fabric bag. And then the one that I use, this one, the second material is HTV Sizer. The brand is Sizer. It's a Easy Subli HTV. So I print the design using my Easy Sublimation printer. My sublimation printer with sublimation ink, and then I use this paper that's called Easy Subli HTV that you can print. So this is the brand Sizer. And then you have to press this for 260, I guess, let me check. It's 260 to 270 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 seconds. So 260 to 270 degrees Fahrenheit in 15 seconds. This is, I've done this like a couple weeks ago, and it's nice. So I got a 100 order of this one, so you can I'm gonna show you on how I make, because I have some here, so you can have it, or you can make it yourself if you have a business like this. You just have to need this printer, the special one, Easy Subli or Easy Sublimation. It's a special ink, and then a heat press, and then the paper that's called Easy Subli HTV, and the bag. So okay, let's go. I'm gonna show you, or I'm gonna walk you through on how I make this easy step. I'll be right. So right now I'm about to print the design, and you have to turn off this ad bleed. So it's the same thing when you make HTV hoodies or whatever. You always turn off the ad bleed. And now let's go into the printer, and I'll be right back. So here is the one that I print out. And what I do is I already set up my heat press to 270, and then I put it in here for some reason. So welcome back, and I have this design ready to cut, and I just got this from the heat press. So I basically, after you print this, put it like a couple of minutes under your heat press, so it will absorb the ink, and the result would be like more vibrant. Okay, so that's my secret. And plus it will dry out real fast. So I put it like 15 minutes under the machine, and after that I'm gonna cut it out using this cutting tool. so I'll be right back. So now, since I have this ready already, I'm gonna grab this bag and I'm gonna put it in here and press it for 270 for 15 seconds. So first, before you put this, I forgot, you have to peel the bottom one or the plastic one, and then you can put it in your bag. And then I used to put Teflon on top of it and then press it like that. So, doing it for 15 seconds. And there you go. So it's more vibrant. Let me go ahead on the second one. Hey guys, so right now I'm almost done. I'm just working on like 19 pieces left, or 9 pieces left. So I'm almost done, and yes, so just stay tuned and we'll talk to you later. Here it looks like. See? I just put this inside of the bag. Press it like for 2 or 3 seconds. Then put the design. Put the Teflon sheets. And by the way, when you print this image, since this is ink, you don't need to mirror it in Cricut Design Space. So you just print it as is, because you're just gonna fill up the bottom and put this on top. So it's the same thing when you're going to sublimate the colored one, like black shirt or hoodies. Same process. The only thing is you have to put the temperature higher, like probably 385 for 20 seconds. This one is you have to put lower, like 270 degrees. It's because it's not 100% fabric, cotton, or blend. so you have to put it lower than 385 degrees. This is sometimes I didn't get this. I'm almost done. So this one, I just print this. I have to put this under the heat press so it will absorb the ink and it will look more vibrant. Okay, I'll be right back. Hi guys, so welcome back, and I'm done with my tote bag. These are like 80 pieces because the first 20 I already delivered it, so I have 80 pieces here tote bag. So that's how I make those tote bag. It's a non-woven Proly something. Hold on. So that's how I make tote bag with sublimation process, and it's a non-woven polypropylene polypropylene, whatever. So that's how I made those tote bag with the sublimation. It's possible to Sublimate in that kind of tote bag for like 270 degrees for 15 seconds, and using the HTV Easy Subli paper, which is the brand is Sizer. So it's just easy, simple. Cut it with your quick cut, or manual cut, and then heat press using your heat press machine, and that's it. So that's so easy. If you have any question regarding this process, you can just leave your question down below, and I would gladly to answer those questions. So it's easy process. It's the same thing when you sublimate a shirt or a hoodie or a sweatshirt. It's the same process for a black one or dark color, because you cannot sublimate if it's like dark color. So same paper, sublimation paper, same process. It's just that when you sublimate for fabric, you have to sublimate in 300, at least 385 for 385 degrees for 20 seconds. So that's it for today, for tonight, and I hope this video will help you. If you think this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notification, so every time I posted some videos here, you keep updated. So that's it for now, and I just want to share with you, in the next coming or few months or few weeks, I'm gonna have my own shop, and I'm gonna link all the description or all the website, but currently it's under construction. I just have my Facebook page and my Instagram page and my TikTok, but I'm gonna post the link down below. My Etsy account is not that active anymore, because I'm gonna make my website for sales. So I have some more exciting stuff for spring, so watch out for that. And thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.